Hi friends, today we are going to learn about what is a razor in MVC. Razor is a view engine in ASP.NET that allows you to generate HTML dynamically using C# code in your views. It's a lightweight and fast syntax for combining HTML with C# logic in the same page. Razor views are typically used to create the structure and content of your web pages. Why it is called razor? The name razor comes from its simple, sharp syntax, which makes it easy to write and understand. Razor uses at symbol to differentiate C# code from HTML in Vue. How razor works? Razor allows you to mix HTML markup and C# code in a seamless manner. When the page is requested, the Razor View engine processes the C# code embedded in a view and generate the final HTML content that the browser can display. Basic Razor syntax. For displaying variables, you can embed C# code in the view using the @ symbol. See, look at here, we are using @ symbol with open curly bracket and closing curly bracket. Here we are using variable message hello world, and in the beside we are using h1. This is a HTML tag. And in loops and condition, you can use C# loops and conditions in the inside Razor views. Look at here, before for we have given a @ symbol and the rest of the things are same. For int I equal to 0 and I less than 5 and I plus plus. In if condition also we are using with before @ symbol, datetime.now.hour less than 12, and else. See, look at if for before we are using @ and if before we are using @. Displaying data from models. Razor views are commonly used to display data passed from controller. See here, using @model, your app.model.user. See it HTML header 1 we are using @model.name, and email column we are using @model.email. Key features of Razor. Lightweight. Razor syntax is concise and intuitive. Integration with C#. It enables you to use C# code directly within HTML pages, making dynamic content generation straightforward. No need for code behind files. Unlike some older web technologies, Razor eliminates the need for separate code behind files, making development faster and cleaner. So, friends, this is all about Razor in ASP.MVC. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends.